What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this windy episode, I'm on the Honda. I just gave it a wash today. You probably saw me make some other videos on it. Every week or two when I wash it, the headlights are starting to turn yellow. So I would have to put a little polish on the microfiber and kind of just polish them out, wipe them down. And then I would use the Ultimate Fast Finish from Meguiar's, and I would wipe it down, and they'd last a little bit longer, a couple extra weeks before they start turning yellow. But I've got about 5 weeks on them now, and they're starting to turn yellow again. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm gonna try this Griots Finishing Sealant on my little Harbor Freight DA with the 3-inch Griots backplate, and I got some 3-inch pads on there. So I wanted to, see how well it works, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So let's see how well this stuff works. I know the correct way is to sand it and do all that stuff, but I feel like it still has some clear on it. And they look awesome when I'm doing by hand. They only last a couple weeks, but hey, I don't mind doing that. I know the correct way is, reapply the clear over it, sand it, 800, 1000, 2000, 3000, however fine you want to go, and then polish it out. But I'm just trying this to see what kind of results I get. I'm not saying this is the perfect way to restore a headlight, but hey, we can get, a month or two out of it before I got to redo it, then hey, no worries. I've got some paint prep. This is the Rust-Oleum grease and wax remover. I'm going to spray a little bit on there. Work it in. Alright, just to make sure that it doesn't have anything on there. Alright, I'm going to get you guys set up right here. Hopefully it's not too windy. And hopefully, you guys can get a good angle on it. I'll bring you guys in afterwards. And we'll see what this stuff can do. Shake my bottle up. What I'm gonna do is just apply 3 little drops, just about that much. Start on 1. Oh! Either microfiber flew. Hopefully you guys are not just seeing my bald head. Alright, check that out. Doesn't look bad at all, huh? Right over here. Little hazy, and then nice and clear. The good thing about the finishing sealant is it is a sealant, so now you got protection too. So we'll see how long that lasts. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side. Get you guys back here. Sorry for the wind, guys. right. Check that out. Sorry guys, cross you. Check that out. It looks awesome. Slide over to this side. Check this side out, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side up over here. And that took me all of about, I don't know, a couple minutes to do one side. Looks fantastic. We'll see how long it lasts though. Well, I'm gonna go up and finish up this other side, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys my little thought actually worked pretty well. It looks great. Griots Garage Finishing Sealant, 3-inch orange correcting pad on my 6-inch dual action. Worked awesome. Appreciate you guys coming along with me, and I will see you all on the next video.